guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Tori and today I'm going to be doing a huge Urban Outfitters try on clothing haul. All the items I'm going to show you except one are clothing items, so I'm going to be trying all of them on, and most of them I've worn. Well, not most of them, like half I've worn, I'd say. Maybe a little under half that I've already worn, so I'll be like inserting pictures too. So these items are mainly like for fall. I've really gotten fall mood, so I'm so excited. You guys know Urban Outfitters is my favorite store. And yeah, so if you guys are excited for this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below and click that bell. And without further ado, let's get started. It is Thursday night when I'm filming this, October 3rd, and it's 8 o'clock. And I just got home from school. I had an exam, and then I took an exam at Panera, like an online exam. So I have just been going. So if I look a little crazy, then that's why. And if I'm a little hyper, it's because I got coffee at Panera. So anyways, you guys are not even probably interested in hearing about that. But yeah, I'm so excited to be doing a haul. It has been so long since I've done a haul, and I have so many coming up for you guys. So get excited. But anyways, now onto the fun stuff. Like I said, got a ton of stuff from Urban online. All this was online for like my trip to Disney for the fall season. I've been doing a lot of retail therapy. I spent like $400 on one order at Urban Outfitters, and this is like 3 orders, I think, because I was just really stressed with school and like going out of town, and I just had a lot. So I did some retail therapy shopping. So I will have all these items linked down below. I actually already linked them for you guys. I like put them in my notes on my phone. So I'm gonna go in order, so if I'm looking at my phone, that's why. So definitely check out the links in my description, so you guys can get these items because they're super cute, super trendy, perfect for the fall. I'm so excited. So let's get into it. So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is what I'm wearing. It is this Nike zebra crop top. Oh my gosh, I'm not even a Nike fan. I would say I'm way more of an Adidas champion girl. I used to really be into Nike, but now I just don't have that much from Nike. I really like Adidas. That's like my main brand. But I love my Air Force Ones. You guys know. I wish I could show them to you right now. They're like trash. I need to like wash them. But I don't know, I like it when they look dirty, so maybe I'll just leave them. Let me know what I should do, because everybody says that they look cooler when they're dirty, so maybe I'll just leave them. But anyway, so I wanted to get some like Nike wear to wear with my Air Force Ones, because I do wear like Adidas with my Air Force Ones. I know. But usually I'll wear like my Yeezys with my Adidas stuff. It just depends. But so this is the top that I got. I'm not gonna stand up, but you guys will see in the try on. It's zebra, white, red, black, white. Just the cutest thing ever. It's so trendy. Zebra is in, you guys. It's gonna be huge this fall. It's gonna be in a few other hauls that are coming up actually. So actually from Urban a while ago, like last month, I got a zebra skirt and I wore that. And the night that I wore that, I'll insert the picture right here, but this girl that I met at this party that I was at, she was wearing like a very similar skirt. It was so funny because I haven't seen anybody wear a zebra skirt in years. And then we were both wearing one. It was just iconic. So I'll throw that picture up. But anyways, this top is adorable. I didn't get this on sale, but most of the stuff I did get on sale, so that's great. Yeah, I'm gonna be looking at my phone to show you guys like the prices or whatever. But this shirt is called the Nike Animal Color Block Tee, and it is originally $35. Why did I get like a little bit of a discount on it? No, yeah, but I got it for $34.41. I got like a bunch of this stuff when they were having like their Urban Outfitters members only rewards. It was like a 20% off reward thing going on. So yeah, so I got this for $34.41. That's so random. And I got this in a size small. It's perfect. I don't think I could have sized down. Definitely wouldn't have sized up. It's like the perfect size, you guys will see. So I love this. So next up, I have a Rolling Stones t-shirt. You guys know I'm obsessed with Rolling Stones. I have probably like 10 plus Rolling Stones like t-shirts. So this is called the Rolling Stones tie-dye tee, and this is originally $39, and I got it for $30.68 in a size small. Probably could have sized up in this. I'm gonna have to be careful not to shrink it. Like right now, it is the perfect size. It's like a little bit oversized. It's not too form-fitting. It's like really, I don't like my t-shirts too oversized because sometimes they like swallow me whole. It just depends. I have to be in a mood. But like for classes and like everyday wear, I like them to be like a loose fit, not too tight, but not too oversized. I do like my oversized. I'll get to that later. But anyway, so I could have gotten a medium just so I could shrink it a little bit, but this is the perfect size right now. I'm gonna have to be really, really careful like washing it and stuff. But it's really cool. It's just tie-dye. It's like an off-white, like creamish yellow maybe, and then like red tie-dye, and it just has the Rhinestones and like a tie-dye or like a rainbow effect print thing. It just has the Rhinestones, and I love this. I'm like so excited. It's kind of distressed too, which is really cool. I love. Next up, we have the Urban Outfitters Sable Textured Wrap Top. This is in a size small. It's originally $39 and I got it for $36.68 as well as the last one. So this is what it looks like. I got this for going out. Like there's another top that I got from here that's a wrap top and it's short sleeve, and I really, really liked it. I got a lot of compliments on it the night that I wore it. So I thought that I would get a long sleeve version for the fall and winter, like when I go out, like with friends, whether that's like to like a party or like the club or just going out. Honestly, in college you need like good going out tops. They're just essential and just staple. I don't know if you guys can even tell on camera, but I'm gonna have to try this on. They're like, you really just can't get an idea until I try it on. So I'll try it on for you guys, but it's a really soft material and it's really good quality, and I'm so excited to wear this for going out and whatnot. It's a perfect like fall item. I can wear it like a lot, and I just know I'll get like a lot of use out of it. Next up, we have the Adidas Reflective Color Block Hoodie Sweatshirt, originally $80, and I got it for $62.93. Okay, here, oh no. Whoops. Okay, so this is what it looks like, you guys. This is adorable. I got this in a size small. Hoodies, I typically don't size up for, just because I'm very short. I have a very short torso. So like most people like love oversized hoodies, but most of the time like a small is oversized to me. This is definitely gonna be a little bit oversized, but it's so cute. It's like a lime green, white, black color block. I'm really into the color block right now. It's like a big trend, I feel like, for this fall, especially like the neon and then the zebra. I'm just like on the trends, you know? Anyways, it's really cute. I don't know if I'd pay full price for this. Actually, yeah, I definitely would. It's adorable. I'm obsessed with it. I love hoodies. And when it's like fall, winter, that's all I wear to class is leggings and a hoodie and Uggs or sneakers. Like I feel like that with like some Yeezys. Leggings, it's just gonna be a look this fall and winter. Okay, so next up is another Adidas sweatshirt. This is called the Adidas Camo Crew Neck Sweatshirt. So this was originally $64 and I got it for $50.34 in a size small, and it is men's, so I wanted an extra small in it, but they were sold out. Not ideal, but it's fine. It's really fine. It's definitely going to be pretty oversized, which is fine. Like I said, I have two different moods where I want it to be like loose but not oversized, and where I want it to be like really oversized. So yeah, it just really depends. So I'm so excited. This is adorable. It's camo, Adidas. It's got the 3 stripes down the side. It's crew neck, so it doesn't have a hood. Oh, I'm so excited to wear this. And it like cinches kind of at the bottom, and I just think this is gonna be so cute with some like Yeezys as well. So excited for the freaking fall, you guys. You like literally have no idea. Next up, we have the Urban Outfitters Jill turtleneck sweater dress. This was originally $69 and I got it for $54.28 in a size small. I definitely should have gotten an extra small in this. I haven't tried it on yet. You guys will see me try it on like everything for the first time. Not everything, but these items that I'm showing you right now are like my most recent items, and so I haven't tried these on. That's why they still have the tags on them. But I could already tell this is gonna fit fine. I'm gonna pair it with like maybe like my Gucci belt. I'll probably wear it with like a belt, probably like a black belt and like some like boots, some like booties in the winter and fall. I just think this is really cute. But yeah, so it's really oversized, so I'll definitely probably wear a belt with it to like cinch it in. I could have gotten an extra small, but I read that it was really short, and it looks like, I don't know if you guys can tell, it looks really short. So maybe I'm glad that I got a small. You guys will see. Updates to come, but I just love this. I love the gray. Can't wait to wear it like in the fall. I keep saying that about everything. But I mean like for Thanksgiving and like Christmas, like family gatherings, I feel like that's gonna be really cute. I'm so excited. Next up, we have the Snoop Dogg Oversized T-Shirt. Originally $39 and I got it for $30.68, and it's one size. And I saw Sierra, well, okay, let me tell you the full story. So I was actually about to order this like a couple months ago, like a month than a month or 2 months ago. So I was about to buy it, and then I went on Instagram and saw Sierra Furtado wearing it, and she's a YouTuber if you guys don't know, and she looked like really cute in it. She had like the exact look that I would go for when I wear this t-shirt. It's like she had 2 braids, and she was wearing like, I think like, was she wearing Doc Martens? I don't know. Anyways, it was just a vibe, and I was like, heck yeah, girlfriend, I need to get that. So I went to order it, and it was sold out, so I had to wait, and I finally got it on sale. So it's just this huge Snoop Dogg t-shirt. I love this for going to class. It's gonna be great. With some like Doc Martens maybe. Who knows? Some Air Force Ones maybe. Some braids. I'm just like really digging it. It's so cute, and it's sparkly. And then it's pictures of him, and I love Snoop Dogg. Love him. But it's just gray, oversized. I'm so excited to wear this. You guys have no idea. I mean, I'll probably wear that to class, but definitely with like shorts and like leggings and stuff. We'll see what the vibe is, but I really like it. It should be completely back in stock now, so definitely go get it. Okay, so I think that's all for that order. Yeah, okay. So next up, I have this. It's called the Urban Outfitters Tasha Twist Front Wrap Top, originally $39, and I got this for $17.27. I got this in a size extra small, fits perfectly. Got it in the color white. I wore this going out the other night. I'll insert, I think I have a picture. I wore it with like black Levi shorts and like my Gucci belt, and then some like white platform sandals, and it was like the perfect, like cutest little going out outfit ever. I'm obsessed. I probably could have got the black one in an extra small now that I'm thinking about it, because this is an extra small and it fits perfectly. Yeah, hopefully the black one fits, but this fits perfectly. It wraps, and it's got like this weird, not weird, like really cool like circle polka dot like texture on it. I love it. If you're in college, the wrap tops are like, not even just for college, what am I saying? The wrap tops are really popular, and I just think they're a great like going out piece for like college and everything. Next up, we have the Statement Rhinestone Belt, and this is in the color silver and the size small medium. This is really cool. I've seen these everywhere and have never gotten my hands on them, on one of them before. I don't know why. I just can't really picture an outfit like that I'd wear this with. Maybe I feel like I could wear this like going out with some like pants or short. We'll see. We'll see how I style this. But it's kind of like sharp out, but it's really pretty. It's a bling. You guys know me. I love bling. And I got like a skinny one. I don't like the thicker ones. I feel like that's too like in your face. I really like the size of it. It's perfect. I really like this, and I can't wait to style it. I have no idea how I'm gonna style it, so updates to come. Next up, I got it's called Day the Rolling Stones Rainbow Lips Crop Tee. Originally $39, I got it for $34.44 in the color black and the size small. It is so cute. I've worn this so many times already. I've had it for, I think I placed this order like 3 weeks ago. It was ordered September 9th, 2019. So I've had it for a minute, almost a month now, but I love it. I get so many compliments every time I wear this out in public. Everybody's like, oh my gosh, I love your shirt. I was at Target and some guy was like, is that a Queen shirt? And I was like, no, it's Rolling Stones. But it's okay, I can't shame him because I don't listen to the Rolling Stones, so don't come for me. But I like the t-shirts, and this is so cute. It reminds me of the Grateful Dead t-shirts, how it's like the little bears and like the different colors. I don't know. It's a vibe. Love it. I wore this with Lululemon leggings and like Air Force Ones one day to class, and I love it. Don't know what that was. And then moving on to the next order, I'm going like back in order. So like the first stuff I showed you is the newest, second order is the second newest, this is the third newest. I have the Mickey and Friends washed t-shirt in the size medium, color blue, originally $39, I got it for $34, and I got this for Disney because I just got back from Disney on Sunday. I'm actually going back in like 2 weeks, a week, maybe it's, yeah, I'm going back in like a week now, or like a week and a half. I'm so excited. Well, fingers crossed. I haven't booked anything yet, but I'm definitely going back to see my best friend who works at Disney World, and it was such a fun trip. I can't wait to edit the vlog, and yeah, I'm like so excited to get back. So I got this t-shirt just for that occasion, and I love it. It's so cute, but I got it in a medium just so it'd be a little bit oversized, but it just looks like this. And I don't think it really shrunk up at all, but it's like the perfect size. It's so cute. I'll insert the picture of what I wore it with. I wore it with an Adidas like fanny pack, white Free People shorts, and pink NMDs. which are Adidas, so the like fanny pack match. Yeah, really cute, love it. I just think this is so cute. When I ordered it, I honestly thought it was like a white t-shirt, but I love the blue, love it. Okay, and then the last order that I have is this Adidas Originals Essential Belt Bag. Originally $30, I got it for $28.21, and I got it in the color black, but black is sold out now, but they still have like a pink and a maroon, so I'll have I think I have the pink one linked already. So such a cute bag, I love it, but it fell off, so let me grab that. Okay, so here's the bag. It's absolutely perfect for any theme parks or anything like Disney. I carried so much. I had lip gloss, my phone, my like Gucci like card holder thing. It's like really small though. And then I had sunglasses, and I could have fit more. Oh, and then I put my friend's hand sanitizer in here. So I didn't fit my camera in here. I could have, but it would have been too like bulky, so my friend carried my camera for me, so thank you, Michaela, I love you. But yeah, so it's just a fanny pack belt bag situation. It's a little big, like I have it tightened like all the way, but my waist is kind of small, so that's probably why. But I don't know how anybody smaller than me could wear this, because it tightens like that, like, but then you got this like hanging. But maybe I haven't like played around with it enough, because then you just have that hanging off, and that just looks weird. I don't know, but it was absolutely perfect. Literally just an amazing bag, and I definitely recommend it. I know you can wear it like this, but honestly I just wore it as a belt bag. So last up I have the infamous IMG Pixie Teddy Coat in size extra small. Originally $120. I got it for $112.86 in the color black, and I have this in the like tan color. I know they have a tan, beige, red, black. I've even seen like a pink, and that's really cute. But yeah, I have it in the tan color, and I wore it to no ends. Is that what I'm saying? I wore it like crazy, like literally like crazy last fall and winter. Oh my gosh, like it was just something I wore every day. So I decided to just get it in black because I loved it so much, and definitely size down a few sizes on this. Well, not a few. I'm normally extra small or small. But this is just oversized, so just keep that in mind. This one looks smaller than my brown one. No, it doesn't. I don't know. I love it. I'm so excited to wear it. It's definitely expensive, and there's definitely knockoffs. Like I've seen knockoffs everywhere. Even Urban has like knockoff version of the IMG one, but I love IMG so much. So I decided to stick with the OG. So guys, that is it for today's Urban Outfitters fall try on clothing haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below, click that bell so you get notified. Upload every Sunday and Wednesday. School has been getting to me. To be honest with you, I have been going through it, like I said, but things are slowing down. So I did miss an upload this week, but it was my first one that I missed since starting college. So I'm pretty proud of myself for making it like about 2 months without having to miss an upload. But yeah, so uploads are going to continue to be Sunday and Wednesday as of right now. So definitely subscribe, stick around, follow me on all my social medias, because most of these clothes I will be posting on there. So yeah, let me know your favorite fall trend in the comments, or your favorite item that I got. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I love you so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, morning, night, whenever you're watching this. I love you guys so much. And I will hopefully see you very soon in my next video. Mwah! Bye guys.